welcome back to Joe's Quirky Craft. This is going to be a really super quick update. It's taken a little bit longer than what we expected to do the sanding. As you can see, we are still sanding. And yeah, we got to demo the closet, but that's nothing. But we sanded all those up there, and that's all the dust down there. So, you probably are asking, why is it taking so long to sand? Because nobody wants to do it, including me. It sucks. It sucks so hard. You have no idea. All that white powder that you see? Yeah, all that was all over the wall, all over the floor. It was a hell of a lot of work. I actually cleaned it up quite a bit. We're not quite done. I'm hoping to have this done within another couple of days. That way I can move on to cleaning and painting. But definitely, when we get to the cleaning and painting, it'll do a lot more to help the room. Now we do have those up there and that nice little somewhere to do, and I'll be in a separate video. But yeah, there's really nothing else to update you guys with other than we're still sanding and it still sucks. So stay tuned.